Evening, ladies and gentlemen.
What could I say after it was done?
Dito tayo ngayon sa Manila International Auto Show in Buendia sa World Trade Center. Currently, we're buying tickets pero niluluto na rin tayo at the same time kasi walang shade dito. Super haba ng pila hanggang dulo yan dun sa entrance nung Manila, ng World Trade booth. Currently online. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung ticket. We'll see. North Wing admissions ticket. Mamaya pasok tayo dito sa loob. Ticket secured. Pasok na tayo. North Wing Truck Zone. Meron dito. So it's more on demo cars, mga easy trucks. Nice. EV trucks. Then may mga Overland Kings. Nandito rin pala. Thor has a booth here. You know. Cute mga maliliit na Thor storage box eh. What's this? Thor na Ano to?
Pop socket, sir.
Pop sa akin. Okay. For sale yan?
For giveaway lang siya, sir.
Giveaway. Magkano yung mga ganito? Yung maliliit yun?
Ito, sir, giveaway lang din yung ganun
giveaway
yung
din.
binibenta natin.
Food grade ba to yung mga
Yes,
ganyan?
po, that.
Food grade. Nandito may Isuzu D-Max. Yan o. Big tent sa taas. May LC. Beautiful LC dito. Yung LC ng Overland Kings na nakita natin last time. Dito yung denim blue. Pogi pa rin. Ito pala yung wide eye eh.
Yun na lang.
Idol. Wide eye nandito. Let's go. Okay, so Overland experience pala dito sa tapat nung ng World Trade sa may ticket booth over EX o OVEX GR. Dito may test drive Jetor. May mga nag-test drive. Sobrang daming tao. This way to the main hall exhibit. Minsan. RV naman to. RV Life. Ayan. Diyan ako nakapila kanina. Bad experience ko with Mias kasi pumila ako dito. Ayan. Galing yan. Dun pa yan. Dun sa dulo. Diyan. Pila kayo dyan. Sobrang init. Next time sana merong ganito man lang tent. Okay. So, pasok tayo. World Trade Center. Pero siguro check muna natin yung mga kotse sa tapat. Kasi nakita ko kanina may mga kotse rin. Starting from the right side, yan, galing sa entrance ng mga kotse. May mga mini displays here. Electric. Ito EV. Lotus. Ganda na. In red. Old school mini. And we have a BYD starting. Will Dasovich, oh. Solid. Happy Wheels si Alex.
Sure, bro.
And on the other side of the outside displays, we have Atoys. Toyota Tamaraw collection. Ito yung nakita rin natin last time. Yung super baba Tamaraw Hilux. Tignan natin yung side profile. Sure, they're not yet done po. Nice pa nila. But look at that. Atoy. Solid. Tapos may ano ba dito eh, may big bike na nakalagay. NK wheels. Nagpalit na siya ng wheels. So NK. Ganda. Ayan, iba-ibang Hilux. Tamaraw Hilux. Dito sa labas. It's all made by Atoy. So Toyota Tamaraw collection. Iba-iba. Ito iba Faith. Ito, Raptor. Ito. Team Ride Max. Mga few cars na nakita rin natin. Patrol. V60. Alcon brakes. Next smoke kits. And Rubicon. I think we have to go inside. Sobrang init na talaga. Hindi ko na kaya. Sobrang daming tao. Look at all the people here. Si DJ doon. To JC. Lots of electronic cars are displayed dito sa labas. Okay, dito tayo sa loob. So we have Team Ride Max booth here. Yung BSKF doon, no? We have Ravenol's booth. Ayan. Parang last year, dito rin yung booth ng Ravenol eh. Yun, no? Auto Plus, Ravenol with their Land Rover Defender na pickup truck. And sa left side niya, puro T37. And guys, naka T37 din tong Defender na to. And it's a pickup. Ang ganda. Bronze. So may booth din pala yung Petron dito. Ayan, no? Ilagay na nila, tapat sa'yo. Yun, no? Hindi awit sa'yo, tapat sa'yo. Yan na, legit. So, on the right side, we have the Pia booth. So, they have nice set of demo cars on display ng Pia. You have an Evo here. You know? Pia with their fog lights on display. And if you guys need fog lights, you can hit up Pia. Yan, i-demo po yung mga ilaw. Dito naman sa may left side, we have the Sonax booth for your car detailing needs. Ayan, Sonax. They have a nice display. Perfect sa logo ng Sonax na red. They have a red GR Yaris with a nice set of wheels. Ganda, yung wheels ko. You know, GR 4 Auto Plus import hookup. Beautiful car. GR Yaris. Then dito yung East Wing. Papunta, I don't know kung saan papunta yan, pero mamaya na tayo dyan. Pasok muna tayo sa loob. And why is it so dark in here? Parang dilim. Okay, so hindi pa na-unveil yung mga kotse. So, ang mali ata yung punta natin. Masyado ata tayo maaga. They have to be unveiling all their cars first.
Power your journey with GWM. This is the GWM Tank 700 High 4Z.
Okay, so I've got news. So I've got news from my friends, mga media friends natin. So turns out hanggang mamaya pa pala tong nakasarado yung mga ilaw.
Thank you all so much for joining us here this morning.
I think we have to do this na nakapatay ilaw. Well, that's like sana bukas na lang ako pumunta. Today is Thursday.
This has been so viral.
Still Sunday pa rin naman ang Manila.
Thank you so much, everyone. And have a great day.
So ito na lang gagawin natin. Let's raw dog it. As is, kahit patay ilaw. Siguro let's start with sa BYD. If makapasok tayo. I've heard na may pila. Papasok sa BYD. Pero let's try. Okay, false alarm. Mamaya na tayo sa BYD. Kasi magla-launch na yung gap. Hindi ako makadaan. Sobrang daming tao. Okay, let's start here muna sa Cherry booth. Medyo konti pa tao dito sa Cherry. Check out Cherry Tigo. Damn, sobrang daming tao. All new Tigo Cross Hybrid SUV. Sobrang dami nag-inquire na tao. Cherry Super Hybrid. Ito naman Tigo Grand Tour. Tigo Touring. Pick up. Just the Cherry. Oh, iba na to. Radar. Radar EV pick up. Ibang booth na pala to. Yan, radar. We have Link & Co. Yan, Link & Co. Origin SE Sport. Lots of EVs. 08 EMP. Yan. It's the booth of Link & Co. They have how many cars? Parang 3 cars. Then, on the left side of Link & Co. is bike. Okay na itong bike. Pogi rin yung mga kotse nila. Yan. Bike. Big cars, big EV cars on the bike booth. Ito mga G-Wagon, Brabus. Mga ano na to, parang artista van. Puro EV pa rin talaga, no? Electric. 212. I think this is a new player in the EV game dito sa Pinas. 212. Wala pa. Sarado pa. Dito. Aito. For Aito, we have here Omoda Jayco. Okay rin to. Okay, good designs on Omoda and Jayco. They have Batman on their booth. Si Batman. They have here the J7. Ano pa ba yung mga meron dito? Jayco, J7. Ito medyo boxy type. EJ6. You have robots here. Si Batman. Bahala na si Batman. Geely booth. Still closed. Ayan, may mga... They have to unveil their cars pa. You have here Net Auto. Just Tune. Parang ice cream car. E5. PHEV. Wow. So many people. Aito, M9. During day 1, you get to see some of the media partners. Dito sila nag-shoot for day 1. Yung mga parang unveiling of the cars. Kita ko sila Visor, sila Top Gear, all the car media brands andito. Ito na yung BYD. BYD has the biggest booth. Manila Auto Show. Yan. Super big booth ng BYD. May booth rin pala yung Auto Plus dito. They have a lot of nice cars here. Including this one. This Toyota Prado Land Cruiser on TE. You know. Pogi. Then we have a GR Corolla with a very nice livery on, ano ba to? Advan ata. And some big brake kits. Then we have a Supra. Pogi na ito. Sobra. Supra A80 on livery also. GR on Advan GTs. GT Beyond R. Ata yan. White body. Then on the other side, we have BMWs naman. We have M2s. 2 M2s. Yan.
May nama.
Very nice cars. M2. Another M2. Then behind the M2 we have an M3 Touring of 1118 and they have an M4 competition. Solid. You know? Nice set of wheels, T37. Hey guys, punta tayo sa BYD. Ito, sure na. Of course, you already know the pickup of BYD, the Shark 6, and their series line of yung mga animals nila. Yung mga, yan, yung shark, yung sea lion, yung seagull. Then, on the luxury side, we have the Tang DMI. What else? Sobrang daming tao sa BYD. Yan, Sea Lion 6. So, ko rin i-try test drive tong Sea Lion. And also the Tang. I want to try their luxury focused on the EVs. Ito. So, Sea Lion 5. The updated one is the 6. Ito naman Seal 5. Sedan type. So many people are inquiring kasi ang mahal ng gas. And they're newly unveiled kanina, hindi ko nabutan, the Atto 2. Ayan. Sea Lion 7. Wow. 7 na pala. Yan, that's BYD. So we have here the Tang. Yan. The Atto 3. Guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na. Puro tao nakikita natin. More people. Less cars. Yeah, the Seagull. Ayan. And the E-Max 7. I haven't tried to test drive the Seagull. Pero ang na-try ko is, yung nasa vlog natin is the... Mga ba pangalan nun? Yung Dolphin. Yung pala, hindi ko pa na-test drive. Dolphin. So this is the Seagull. Dito naman, nag-launch sila sa... Anong brand to? GAC. Ayan o. So many people. I know, siguro bored na kayo sa part na yun. Let's go on to the cars that we know and love about. We have the Air Spencer booth. Our favorite, the Air Spencer. Meron kaya silang bagong scents. You know, Air Spencer. Marine Squash. Pink Shower. Ito, di ko alam kung ano to. More exhibits. Pasok tayo. We're here at the booth of Shop for Fun. If nakafollow kayo kay Andrew,
Sila, boss?
they'll be releasing their RWB yun, RWB Tubero diecast 164. Siguro, speaking of Andrew, so there's tires here, Cylone. Ayan, Cylone, Mobile, mga oil, busina, BG. Ayan. What's this? Launch Tech. Any oil, CPO trading, brake fluids, Totachi oil. Ayan. Value Plus, Momo. May Momo tires pala. So may wheels ang Momo and tires. First time seeing this one, actual Momo.
Sir, turn.
Bendix, yan. For brakes. Yan. All the oil brands are here. Amso Oils. WeatherTech. Ayan, mga matting sa kotse. Workflow tools para sa mga kotse rin. Buti pa dito, daming ilaw. East Wing B. Pasok tayo dito. So, ito pala yung A. Main hall, yung mga brand new cars. Sunod yung A, yung nakita natin. And ito na yung B. What do we have here? Aisin, Coolant, NGK, spark plugs. Halo-halo na dito. They have Iwata, Raiden batteries. Okay, so ito na yun, custom cars. Mali tayo ng pinupuntahan eh. May naka-ever since. Tirador ng Porsche Club. Ayan. So lahat to Porsche.
Apo, yung SEM puro Porsche. Pero meron din po mga JDM yan, mga iba-ibang red.
Ano to? May nakasali ba kayo sa competition ngayon?
Hindi po, for
display lang talaga
display
to.
lang po talaga.
Jollibee pa dito. Pero ito, kumbaga, iba-iba may-ari.
Apo, iba, sa group po namin. Kumbaga combine po yung mga collections namin.
Pero ikaw, anong kinokollect mo?
Halo din po eh.
Halo-halo?
Pero unang kong kanyalek is JDM.
JDM talaga. So, nandito, sa'yo.
Yung Silvia po, lahat po ng Johnson Group yun. GTR, yung mga
May nabili ka na. Ito pero. Pwede mo makita? Sige pa sila nakikita eh. Ang haba ng pila kasi. Magkano SRP naman, Tubero?
170. Actually, nag-expect po ako mga 2K eh. Buti mababa.
Pero, ganda oh. Sign to?
Yes,
Oh,
sign
sign.
na lang, Sir Drew.
Ganda. Mamaya na ako bibili pag wala ng pila.
Ganun din.
Thank you, bro.
Sige po. Thank you, thank you.
Nice meeting you, bro. Wow, puro BB, oh. Ganda naman, mousepad yung ano nila, pang diorama. Jada Toys. Ah, dito na sa baba, oh. Puro BB. Nice. Ano na kaya ito? RWB. Sinakay ba? Nasa likod. Sinakay, nasa likod. Dito. Police car. Liberty Walk. Yun oh. Now, the good stuff. Custom and classic car competition. On our left. Unang-una agad, this XD. Ito ba yung Feels na body kits? Uy, may jeep oh. Jeep. So go, papasok. Ilang seater kaya ito? Ito rin nata yung sa ano. Sa hardcore? Di ata. Di ata ito yun. Saraw yun eh. Ganda. OTJ. Nice one. Ganda oh. Turbo. Ganda. Old school na tires. Ang 13s pa ata ito. Tapat sa'yo. Si Tobero dito. Tobero the owner and Tobero the car. Ayan. Okay. New headlights. Jollibee yun. New taillights also. Morimoto ata yun tawag doon. I'm not sure. And over here we have the Toyota Corolla Euro 1 with a 4AG engine. Here's the specs, full of TRD parts. So ready. Ganda rin ang mag. Busog. 4AG. Euro 1. The alien looking car from Lilo and Stitch. And we have here a Porsche Carrera 4 GTS EG Mugen. Naka Group M. Ganda nung ano nyo. Parang naka CNC machine. Restoration. EG. Dito naman you have a Subaru Hawkeye Sonic 4 wheels. Jerry Aris on Advance. Forester. Wow, linis. An LC. Yan, maganda. LC. TK, Type R. Yan. Ice wire. Vigilant Tech Grips. PBR. Pogi. White and blue. Meron tayo Vitz RS1 Turbo. Wow. Turbo. Ako na ba to? Sa GT. Okay, Uncle Pep nga. Ayan o. Dito siya. Uncle Pep. Tapat sa'yo. Pep's Garage. Vitz. Pogi. We have here FL5. Dalawa. May nagdi-DJ rin dito. Hope we don't get copyright. And another Vitz, pero Euro setup. Yan. TTE. Yan, Yaris. Linnea Source. Pero pares lang yan. Siguro RS2 to, and then to RS1. Si Romeo. Over here we have a GTR 34. Okay. Mismo. Bayside Blue. Hiroshi, Samura, Godfather of PTR. All out. Pogi. Then may NSX dito. Tomato Garachata to eh. I'm not sure. Look at those wheels. Love Nuts Race. Michelin. Ganda. NSX naka Pro Drive. So, what's this? This GNX Lantern. XL. Oh, Mitsubishi. I don't know what Mitsubishi this is. Galant. Ah, okay. Galant pala to. Ganda. Ganda nung salamin dito. Curve. Nice. Old school. Alfred Motorworks. Ito, super old school na to. May airplane to sa harap. Chevy. Is the patina paint. Maganda. Chedeng. Not familiar with Mercedes-Benz kung anong model to. Pero ganda. Quad headlights. Ito ba yung 1 to FL something? Dito.
Apat na katawan kasi siya.
Nakaba niya. Leather seats. Dito we have Y2K looking EG. Parang from Fast and Furious. Low wheels. Red interior. Parang snake skin pa to. Mugen. MG. Old school na MG. Top down. And we have here fellow Yaris boys. Yaris girls pala. CU1. Toyota Yaris. Kay Romy to eh. Yan. Also our friend. Vitz black interior. Yan. Nagre-racing din siya from time to time. Racer Barbie. Ayun siya sa likod. Busy. So, she's also included with Team Motolite. They do racing sa Super Sprint. Then we have a CRX Pro 2 for VTEC. I hope my voice is still in the video kasi sobrang ingay ngayon. Yan, CRX, clean ones. Ganda, Mugen. Nice color. Big CRX logo on the side. Mugen CRX Pro 2. Mugen seats. Yan. Mga Civic. Yan. Mugen. We have an R35 from Autoholic. Amps all demo car. CTR 8080. FL5. Ayan. Oh, may naligaw na BYD. Fortuner na naka-sounds. I hope I'm still in the video. My voice is still sana nandito pa rin. We have a Civic here. FK. Another Yaris of Kuya Robert. New livery of Kuya Robert. Orange. Wow. This car is red. Naging orange na siya. Yung pinaw si Kuya Robert eh. Kulay orange na ni Supra from Fast and Furious. Akala ko totohanan niya. Hindi pala. Ayan. Orange. Kuya Robert of Grupo Toyota. What do we have here? Mga RC. What's that? Cooper. Tapos may booth rin pala yung Hot Wheels. From big cars to small cars. We have the Hot Wheels here. Yan. They have a Mazda ND Miata on display. Boss, for sale yan? For sale yan, boss?
Ay.
Eto? Hindi. Ganda eh. Pasok tayo. May pila ba?
Sa payment yun.
Sa payment lang. Pasok tayo. No, straight from the box. So let's check out the cars here. We have the Tokyo Drift. Yan. Parang wala na yung mga magaganda. Anong gustong kotse dito? Yung Soarer. 599. Yung mga F1. Hot Wheels XL. May malaking Hot Wheels na pala. Mario Kart. Haba ng pila. Pagkain pala. Wow. Nice set of wheels. Tosco. Nando. Corolla. Mango? Mango ba to? I don't think so. Yan. Pogi. Here, KP61. Starlet. Drift Mob. Joma Montaner. Chris car kaya to? Slalom. Slalom to. Lancer DX. Type. Corolla. SR. K35. Video. Old Schooler. Auto Club. You know, 13s. 8K. Ganda. Corolla SR. Blockbuster. Pila. Kamakdo. Then another Corolla. Vintage Corolla. Ganda. KE10. Wow. Dinis oh. Hawaii. Anong wheels kaya? Stock wheels kaya siya. Old Schooler. KE10. I think this is the first time I'm seeing this car. Ganda. Ganda rin ang kulay. Then, dito naman, we have a Mustang. Shelby. Ganda. Super sexy car. From the movie, Gone in 60 Seconds. J Cruiser. Old school.
Ayun kuya, oh.
4-wheel drive. Early generation of Toyota FJ Cruiser. Yan. FJ40. With Cassie, with her Beetle. And nandito rin. Under Flicker Tech, we have a Shelby Pajero Gen 1. Ganda. Then, look that. Gone in 60 seconds far. Ano yan? Ano yan? Tuner Magazine.
Horsepower. Yes. 4 horsepower. 4 horsepower. More power, baby.
Mo power, baby! Yeah, sila G and Mark.
Sticker. More power.
Just got coffee figs from Wide Eye and some empanada from Sarta. Create natin ng Overland Kings. Thank you. I think this is about it for today's video for the Manila International Auto Show 2026. So it's been a very busy day. Sana nag-enjoy pa rin kayo kahit medyo chaotic yung video. Sobrang dami nangyayari. May mga hindi tayo nakita ang kotse kasi naka-cover pa. Sobrang dami tao. Ang dilim. Yeah. So sana nag-enjoy pa rin kayo sa video natin for today. And if umabot kayo guys sa part ng video na to, you can comment down below. Ano na lang, Mia sa baba. Para alam kong nanood kayo from start finish. And if you guys wanna buy our merch, Eversense merch, you can always buy our merch at www.eversense-streetclub.com. Don't forget that. Basa kayo mapunta. And as always, thank you so much for watching. This is been Jerome Bonifia. See you on the next one. Jane!